Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm making a spicy potato soup and I'm using my crock pot. It's a really good soup. It's one of my husband's favorites and it's been a while since I've made it. And I am doubling the recipe on everything, so we get more. So I hope you'll enjoy this video. So without further ado, let's get started. The recipe calls for 1 pound of ground beef or bulk sausage browned. And I'm using ground beef this time, but I have used breakfast sausage and it's really good as well. 4 cups of potatoes that's been cubed, a small onion that's been chopped, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1.5 teaspoons of pepper, hot pepper sauce. I'm using Louisiana hot sauce. And you need 3 8-ounce cans of tomato sauce. And I am doubling my recipe, so I've got more of everything. And you'll need water to cover everything up. This soup is so easy. I just added everything into my crock pot, and I was going to church, so I did it on high for 5 hours, and when we got home from church, we had lunch. And you just, like I said, put everything in your crock pot and then you cover it all with water. I made everything just a little easier on myself and had browned the ground beef the day before and put it in the refrigerator. So it was ready to go. And here it is. It was so good and so hearty on that cold day. And I had forgotten just how much I enjoyed this soup, and we enjoyed the leftovers. That's why I made extra. Here we go. It's time for a taste test. That's good and very hot. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring that bell. Please leave a comment. Tell me what you think. And until next time, bye y'all.